Unit 1 Table Creations in Word Methods of Inserting Table. Dear students, in this video we will learn how to insert tables in your Word document. First, we are going to see what is MS Word actually. Microsoft Word or MS Word, often called Word, is a graphical word processing program that users can type with. It is made by the computer company Microsoft. It was founded by Bill Gates and Paul Allen. The purpose of the MS Word is to allow the users to type and save documents. There are three methods to insert tables in Microsoft Word. Method 1. Create a table from the table menu. Method 2. Create a table from the table dialog box. Method 3. Insert a quick table using table templates. In this video, we are going to explain these three methods one by one. So let us start with method 1, create a table from the table menu. Here I am having a sample online school timetable, and with the help of this I am just going to make this timetable using these three methods. So for that, to begin, place your cursor where you want to insert the table. Then select Insert tab in the ribbon followed by Table in the Tables group. Now move your pointer across and down the grid to select the number of cells. The selected cells will turn in orange. Then click the selected part of the grid. Now I am going to enter the values inside the table using my keyboard. So this is the one method to create a table using table menu method. Now we will look at the table dialog box method, which provides advanced sizing options. To begin, place your cursor where you want to insert the table. Then select the Insert tab in the ribbon. Next, select the table in the Tables group followed by Insert Table from the drop-down menu. Enter the number of rows and columns in the Insert Table dialog box. There are two options. One is table size is there and another one is auto fit behavior. In the table size, you know that you have to enter the number of columns and rows. And in our sample timetable, we are having 3 columns and 7 rows. So using the decremental arrow and the incremental arrow, I am making the number of columns and rows. Next comes to auto fit behavior. So we are having 3 options. Now let us see what is auto fit to window. Auto fit to window adjusts the width of the table to the size of the viewer's Word window or browser window. Now let's look on the other mode of behavior. So again, we need a 3 by 7 table. So I am selecting the next option, that is auto fit to content. So as its name itself, it will fit according to the content. That means auto fit to content adjusts cell size to the content. Let us see how. So in the first case, I am going to enter the values. Now in the second case, that is auto fit to content mode. So here the size of the cell will increases according to the size of the content. So here first I type the word day. According to the size of that content, the cell size also get adjusted. Now I am going to type the time, that is 11:30 AM to 12:30 PM. So it is also, you can see that it is just adjusting the size of the cell. So that is the difference between auto fit to content method and auto fit to window. Now we are having another option in auto fit behavior, that is fixed to column width. So let us see how does it works. So that is fixed to column width. So again I am going to adjust the table size to 3 by 7. In the fixed column width, I am going to fixing the width of the cell to 1 inch. Okay, you can see in the screen that I created a table which is exactly having the width. The cell is having exact width of 1 inch. Now let us see if the content size will exceeds 1 inch, what will happen? Width of the cell will increase or whether the length of the size will increase. So here you can see that the width of the cell doesn't change, only the length get adjusted. So that is the difference between these three types of auto fit behavior. Method 3. Insert a quick table. Quick tables are pre-built tables and calendars you can modify for your own use. To begin, place your cursor where you want to insert the table. Then select the Insert tab in the ribbon. Next, select Table in the Tables group, followed by Quick Tables from the drop-down menu. Choose the table you want from the gallery. And then add your own content by typing over or deleting the table's example text. So here I am going to choose the first one. It is a predefined calendar actually. It is the December month calendar. So now it's July month is going on. So let us enter the July month calendar. So first I am going to rewrite. First day of July is on Wednesday and second on Thursday followed by Friday. So I am entering it. Now let us write this in your notebook. Fill in the blanks. Questions and answers. What is the purpose of MS Word? The purpose of MS Word is to allow the user to type and save documents. What are the three methods to insert table in your Word document? Use the table menu, use the insert table command, use the table templates. Write the step to insert table using the table menu. Step 1. Click where you want to insert a table. On the Insert tab, in the Tables group, click Table. Step 3. Under Insert tab, drag to select the number of rows and columns that you want. Question number 4. Write the steps to insert table using the Insert Table command. Step 1. Click where you want to insert a table. Step 2. On the Insert tab, in the Tables group, click Table and then click Insert Table. Step 3. Under Table Size, enter the number of columns and rows. Step 4. Under Auto Fit Behavior, choose options to adjust the table size. Question number 5. Write the steps to insert table using the table templates. Step 1. Click where you want to insert a table. Step 2. On the Insert tab in the Tables group, click Table. Step 3. Then point to Quick Tables and then click the template that you want. Thank you, children.